Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by preparing the single reliable method, a wired HDMI connection. Grab an HDMI cable and the correct adapter for your device. Plug the adapter into your phone, tablet, or laptop, then plug HDMI into the adapter and into the TV. If the adapter needs external power, plug it in now so the signal is stable. Once connected, switch the TV to the matching HDMI input. You should see a blank or duplicate desktop as the device negotiates resolution. Now you configure how the picture and sound travel over HDMI. On a laptop, open Display Settings and select Mirror or Duplicate. On mobile, choose Screen Mirroring through the adapter. Make sure resolution matches the TV, for example, set 1920 by 1080 for a 1080p display, or 3840 by 2160 for 4K, and adjust scaling so UI elements aren't cut off. Then go to Audio Out. Finish by confirming the mirror is stable. Open a video or presentation and watch both picture and sound. If a window appears cropped, set full screen or adjust scaling. If video stutters, try a shorter or higher quality HDMI cable. Make sure cables are snug and the adapter isn't overheating. If there's no signal, first confirm the TV input is correct, then check adapter power and swap the HDMI cable. Finally, update device display drivers or reboot the device. That single wired method is the most reliable way to mirror.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.